adugo abino makome lutwa wun acholi afoy wun matek kamoti ye kono ti Ulaya kono ti Uganda kono ti kwene afoy wun matek abina wa lok leba choli maleng pianana choli e pedak moni maki kono ke rego gerre ay mo ti timoni ana choli le tiana choli ki come now genatie amiro kok bot wun lukana acholi machala choli watika chung pinga acholi ma manyen election tika bieno ye tika bien chaka wakimalo du waping wabichere ye acholi machala acholi wachung pinga ngo ma wan wachung pire gem na wera lo bodu tieno wan Uganda wa agi kwana o koberi chamba o kwana jami ti matek bot down lo de der jami ti matek but lobo wani no mer po bet kaman ka neno no kitela ma a chakki ne ngat mukelo tela ni dong telo beri ching wan machalo wan Uganda wachwala nyim Dr. Milton Obore eneyo chaho kelo ni a lochi do bet bot wan wana wange ken mil dor lobo wan je ma polo time ma bejo ki ma raju ingela chen ma put pia ngela chen jimi mo chalo odiat chiran dongo gi kono neno odiat ma giti regions ma pat ma ki yubu gi the same style katiki ching joni eni machani agriculture kinero ni kitwala nyim because kitwala locho doga ting lu tedero ni guyele gutim ginu moni ki community ma megini gutim ginu mo kap joma pe gutimu kitwala gen ki punishing gen where Uganda don ikar chane ni Uganda no tika don speed moma raja dada i sub-Sahara Africa watino ka don be dada jema politime businesses agriculture kitimugi kono UDCB gini ki yubugi ngo gini stores ma don tie ma ki yubugi ma ka cham tie ma ki pero ma ku chamu don ka ti ma duong tutwal gamente wilu ki chera ke gwa i gina store ma ki gwa gi enoni ingela chen ki kwanyu ki gwa ki charo ki charo ki dano ka pero tie dano ki kwanyu ki chamo enoni pi yele pagamente ma ke duare chin community kwa ko community giti yele o yele ni ko tim jemi eneni o be pi won ka don pe community ma tie ka timone ki punishing gen ki gena gen ki kero a woni ko ngi pien pe gen no giti timu gen ma be ma mer don palo ingele la chen o bore uno ketu bien kereni michako telo wan mabe Buganda bene no gitie ma Buganda gimero no gipoke o gen gibetro chalo kengi mai ya chakki kongi chane no Buganda chalo joma gidon tiga pelo wi beriti ni gibin pelo ke loj impe Uganda wa berite beriti berane no gen pian gen yu chakka uchochon gen gimero position mabe bejo ni mamaro ni on botgi machalo gen machalo kaka Buganda no gimero ni polle ni bejone ni bedu botgi wa o karmo ma gen go kwanyo jami go kwanyo ngom go kwanyo jami pabunyoro ki o wa ki referendum kwa ni ki voting referendum ki dwa jami pabunyoro ching bunyoro karma ki dano ki ye referendum karani bugnor mer ke dwa jami ki chingen Buganda machala ka baka me Buganda kwero ni pe dwa gine ani chingjoni were o ikare on wani gembe don gemer beru chalo logo ma megi pat pi Uganda so gemer gembe to don pat federal chaka chon loke lutwa so lu diro acholi ki wanya ni yet pekaro wit lu diro mu mer gu bera wachu blok enini pegitika wachu we ana wachu lo ada pian pa mer ni waj moni kon gwa mara nyo dega bara wachu lo ada ke cher history be cher kwan no en lo ada enoni ni tila wachi so gino time kar mo kwero chik boro waje ni la pian amin uchako beru uchako beri kopolo e gamente pa biritij mano gitika loyo wani so en dong food not ye dana mane diet ke wai ni ke mio twer boro mio twer chen wai ke chinen buganda kong gitien chalo ke mudu mogo kono magi mero ke yelo ke dan ichero kudo amin bu chero mo be bu chero ne je mati kuno ki ngo gini paka ka baka rio ilo mo wa lo golaya ka mo rio dong paka dong ayero chako beru tie maduong country mano tika progressing mabe GDP ti mabe lobo watika producing je mapol watika exporting je ti mabe yo ayero chako tegamente po bore pako owe kar moma gamente dong petwer meta nyim para gidio bore kar mo bor kar wa gidio bore para bore o dong ki pushing bore wa bore gamente macheli ku twala wa amin ubien le tela amin Paul wenyo ni ele tela Paul wenyo log la da wat log da kidano Paul wenyo so kipa Paul wenyo ni donc no ni kipa dong bor pe ko bi chana nga ma do bi twalo witana nyim no pa ni donc kong amin dong ko twala nyim amin donyo je ma Paul time ne amin nero la dit ma megwa archbishop janane lo matin ke kwero national day Uganda ni amin ayo nero ku twala ni obero ni accident because logo da la tian mo chini logo da kit mo da kere kit me la kit me logo lu ba mi logo da min uneno ni pebe dano ma pol ki ne ko giro na riema gi no gi la bilim chawi bilim dir Uganda actually ma pol ki ne ko gen pian don ke ne ni obore a chok bot wa kenyo ni la ka chuli wana chel ki chawan tua won ni kom ma chuli actually wa ai kam per ma pat ki ne ko chuli ma pol now Jeme ma Paul amien bo yele wa airport mo ne an tie matiri Uganda ni amien ye go yele go yobo kenyo kono regional hospitals mo ne an gi chirandong gi mugo magitie en style a chel gi eno ni weng uber yele pa previous government kono UDC gi weng jeme en weng jone go yele ni guneno ni gi kero do o karmoma dano be gunena da bene ni tela enin bene pa mieni be petika konyo ne kiribe da mienu ye ni wai diwo ba kiri cha bo kiri cha bungen gona chim kai neni girumo tie ma mieta ni watel tela uchara nyim ki yup Uganda pa ko we karmo ma guriemo agents o gi chwalo gi o wa piem ki mero ni lo wa do chingwa lonyo do chingwan wa ne nge ke me do wa chwalo dans le wa nyim je ma Paul corporations magiti ma pat la do gamente but uno dano dero lo dero mo mer guti ye kar e oni ma chale Uganda no dano food pepe so ki ye ki jo ma no giti ye ma ni kerbe ki a ke wo ni kong dong guti ye kong gunen ni ki twala nyim but wen ki dwa te gamente so Jimmy ma Paul any weng ubere te lot pa ubore so ubere pobere ma yor Jimmy ma Paul ma radio ma bedo gutime bat logada Jimmy ma Paul ma bedo monen Uganda ma ki yobo gini Paul gi weng ubere previous regimes kapeum am obore yo ubere te lot pa amin but most of it ubere te lot pa ubore then iromo wayo be amien bene ikore kenyo gamente pa Museveni wuchara ka lwenye lum guneno ni peko wan ngoma raj peko ngoma tima raj 10-point programs kati wuchara uyele matek lwenyo ma polo wa luer triangle gi achuli gi uchung ka ono ni pe achule chel mo kan Museveni art ma mege wa Museveni tie Museveni ni actually has been key part of tela pa Uganda That's why ke luoro una choli en gem wa ke kar we kam pe mwa ma pol ma pa mo se dono ye ne ke declaring northern Uganda as a state of emergency until la tien ma megu doctor lara tunu ye mumirno beri la dit la lawyer no lo kom UN e kalma Kofi Annan beru tie eni mo se no kwar kerchen la tien ma megwa doctor lara tunu ma tino telo UPC anoni ke kwaro karma ke kwaro uberu ki waino inba do ke mak ma de teri eni very secretary me children's affair under UN ene yo choyo blueprint me neoni peroti northern Uganda lora da ke tim ki da kacholi ki declaring with a state of emergency duano di lato ki ye yadani perodon ki dom ki declaring ber pila timu doctor Lara tunu make kwero kero chingo pere ni ubedno la tela ma diet pian ki luora choli che anche ghetto uno beri ghetto e cam non che guoro uno come ni l'hotel ma bello gubero tie ma duom we are po e com what a week ma che ku chung pia churia petie pi just ning ke kano we ko kero ni la wirhuru a anti kunu goronena chana madong tie ko ber chana u chung o konyo ko a chana we ko meta nyim buchung la dit wone line ma megeni bu konya choli la dit ma chalo o kana Walter chara do kona we kaberu me ku o yele pe ku kerbeti NRM gilna gura choli pe yeni o chera nyim pe ye logada o chera chel gen ki DP General All Honorable Norbert Mao o chera lum bot kon mienwa kalok ni dong bao jone pe ko tie o tim ki da ke eneni ki winye ki maro fort ye pidier kwok ne kolo kiriti NRM teroni ki cher lum gene mau me DP ki cher ki lokunu ma be mau la tela ma twin ima aki ya chuli ma koberechani ka uchungi di bet pilo we wan kaka ma chala chuli petie gene moma waju mano pengeu o kwano da o kwano politics ma megeni ngeu jemi ma pol ma waron benefiting ki komao uti ma be parliament wa ki parliament cherber won komel C5 ma be ada da ai kuno do wa ni wa metiane dong din be la dit ma maro lo kamelo ene kanelo ne kani one on one ene la ma pe guru musebe peram tuingere so mo time mau tie dana chel mu mer no gan ma be ma da ti konye DP bar wan ma chalo ka choli da ke kar me ma giti ti ka chel gen Walter charo do yele lo me politics kan kuja yes but kaw da lo ma da lo kom ka choli ki chung ka chel kaw da lo ma da lo kom tela me ne ya cholo chera nyim ki cher gi chung gi ten ko ka chel piana choli da choli pe beru chalo do tela ma chalo ko nyoni pe chene ki lo ka o ki eni koma choli pabi wadi nying naro mo ken o yin nyingi mwaka nyen kuye diga bino yinyu nyingi unen ko unyonen i ballot paper unge ka o gwero nyopo gwero ba an mati wadi ne bodun kaka choli wanen ngoma wano bi chumpire ma chalo kaka choli cholo a ki per ma pol ma pat no be puda ti na paka be pudi karamu jongu binu ko kwanyo dienwa Wenya melare ni jema pol wenwa tani kona choli wo that clement kono dienwa kono monwa mugo magutoi kono gamente ma chochoni weng magicher ka goleni wo kono mo gini weng petie chul mo ma furu wo ka wo ki unu nge unu do ti ye kenyonio actually that word that clement ki bera log ye ka ma pol pa neno pa winyu ni don ki chulu wa woro choli kana woro ma duong pi chero pi lumon gi maguto previous government e mukan ma pat pat peke mwaka kono luong i chero bombo kono chero kwene kono tim ngo ultime ma pole da ba peke ni chil mo ke twala chane mo bodano so actually peke ma woro yeni mo beri kam pi chero mutaka we yo kitimo yo dano wa gudeno chan ma pol ma pat la tiam wa mero ke catching bedan ma dit peki ye ni actually gitiki gutai matika nor gen peki tika ye pegamenta pa museveni ti ye ni ke white lo pe kamale but because of la raton we ko katika male now peko ma pol tika time ko bere chano tika ne people po aguti kati o kamale people po aguti chung pedano ma original party mo party mantiga mente kan kono DP kono FDC kono UPC kono nga ke weng gitie don ko bere chani ma giti lege pian people po tika sweeping ka mo ken now party ka waju iruni ukwak people po party ka waju iruni ukwak gamenta pa Museveni piara ngeu ti party ma pat kama unu chame ye kama uko ye me ku chamu tokere ento gem madare lo koma choli ka do wacha choli o chung pe ka choli chene po we fundong ke chol do wo ma pedong do romo win wa lo mo po ron ngam do wu pe lo pom ka choli I parliament kono ti ko ne ka tela ma pat muti yeni au chero chung pe ka choli peti gem mo mero di railing won ti chung pe ka choli woro nena chana ko beri chana ena fudong tiga chung lok ma dog lok kong wi wodi me actually ena tiga loy ne o kon ko wala nena chana menero ni wadon actually ku chero malo wan actually me waribu ne regardless of gina pat perma pat mukara ngej wan dong kong ye ya kong dong waribu ne we look kondong look at chair, what better could one at chair. Lega nama did lawyer about when call bit kong opinion leaders. Dan mo the likes of Archbishop Mark Becker Ochola, Otelo Kid Guma Bear, with a pay when you nye, kamo kononi cham chana, kono, take Gakanicha, Meche, mate, ma tell one bear, mada. Romo bella wie ma ge romo konyo kore ka mo kenyo ma pul la tu no gini gitie do tera wadan ma doma pejo gitie ma pechene money million piera deke kwanyo wi gini ke quantum limit ke quant age limit politics gudong honorable people don't gudu dama lege ma don't you cannot imagine Chene Romanone about 28 million in a month at park allowance mutaka kono mileage you are that cheap me yeni ke quantum limit ke quant age limit those are the basis of democracy so unem jomu dogi parliament unem jomu yero gen wonero ni wachung pe kaka choli ene yo bera nyim kaka choli lo NRA munio kaka choli lo UPC wuni kaka choli lo DP wuni kaka choli lo kono people power movement wuni kono ko be chan ke be chan ma pat kono ngo ko ti ye ajela pe wan bulu mu kene mu kan wa don tetera chielle kan pa Museveni ni ma poate nero girumo ma be ma pakke lu tera ne ma don kunu I winyu mu kana gitie logo don gitika ko be ge waju dwan gi kamale ni tera mo ti ye ne ba tera ne pe be dak dum tie kamoma ne mo bi a ke bodwa every am ya logo da Jimmy ma politika time geru ma bejo time chen Kampala kono ngo kai ne ngagi elo dir ma bejo medicamente ni gena gidi timone lu diru wu me na remi mu kana gena gidi ka wajo ne pe waj ma raj waj ma be piem Logadame Christianity, why didn't you Logadabadano? That is the truth we should stand for. Meneroni, Watwaro, Acholi, and Uganda forward. Uberi kan, Utimu, Koberichando dog down. Watika yeleni, wapiru lutian wamo magetika dawani. Wapiru cham ubetie maduong der wa dongi wa nemani cham maduong wapiru ge mukana mukwana udong ke keri der ukon lutini ukon dan wa mukana ni kingo gini Jimmy mapere tek ko berichan ma neno chalo development ene miro concentrating ye ma chala choli uchung pekara choli wa neno ni actually we push actually forward. My humble prayer for all of you. Kai nen pero tie madano ketika dio gi yo moy kan ke dir dano utime kama pol na pat utime Egypt utime in Burkina Faso utime recently in Sudan utime Libya Muhammad Gaddafi ngeno charo kwene Omar al-Bashir me Sudan chok neba wakenyo utime bari tekte dano ketika dio dano yomo ke ken kagu a maloni wando wadek ginumo ken they will always have the voice kiri latini ena itika loyo special force kiri latini ena itika loyo tang makichiro kachel tino tiyo dana chuli yoli wenge we go will button and mamir dio ni kadano ti kadeno chan kadano pegiti no cham kadano pegiti tela mati medon logo chemme mamir kon lu dero dano aria dek ene cham kono fana ngong corruption when you ge and pa what you pierre patek ne what you jinyuka no information yin ka madano giti mi ye jemi chene pelo me Uganda tu dana di money ene ke ngeo gen ge chamo en ka kum so won ma chara chori ma ke ngeo ni won o riek o kweri kono ma o de gamente jema bel pe o bodu ente komen so but uchung ma charo kara uchung kinani ki charo kara wa nyim uchung lo patu ma tiano ni uchung lo mirwa machala wandang chene petum chene mirneni biro en kameno mete be kameno but wachung ilorada and lorada will push us forward. It's my humble prayer for all of you Africans who have been through a lot of tough times, but it's incumbent upon me and you to do the little roles and responsibilities we can in our different capacities to see to it that we push Africa forward, so that we push the Acholi people forward. So many things went wrong, but it's incumbent upon all of us to go back and beg for forgiveness. Where forgiveness is supposed to be allowed, let's do that. If we do that, then surely we are going to live in a better world. I'm telling you, if people have made intentions to move the country forward, the country can always move forward. It has happened in Burkina Faso. Likes of Captain Thomas Sankara, 5 years only, 10 million trees were planted. 250 schools were built communally. Women's emancipation was raised high. People built 250 schools. People were alive at each other's struggles. People were alive to corruption. And what they call Burkinabe people, they are the upright people. The people of Burkina Faso, they are the upright people, Burkinabe. And Burkina Faso, the uncorruptible people. We need more of the people around the world. The likes of that Martin Luther King, I have a dream. Indeed, he had a dream. Because the world doesn't want good, they shot him, they killed him. He said, if you don't have a reason to die for something, You don't have any business living. I leave it to you. Julius Nyerere said, east or west, we face forward. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah wanted us to unite together as Africans, while Julius Nyerere wanted us to start from a regional basis, where he allowed Tanganyika and Zanzibar to form Tanzania. The declaration of the independence was delayed intentionally to bring East Africa together so that they could declare it at the goal, so that they would have a united East Africa. Then we have the South, West, and the North, so that we could see the unity coming quicker and faster. But the people who do not mean well, they disappointed him, but they did not let him down, because he was alive to see to it that Kiswahili was spoken across Tanzania. It did not stop him from doing the necessary things that he had to do as a person. Uhuru na kazi, freedom and work. That is what it stood for. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, they made up the ideology of the Organization for African Unity, OAU, which today is called African Union. It was formalized in 2002 to be African Union. It's because of these people behind them. The likes of Haile Selassie from Ethiopia, the headquarters for African Union. They meant so well. They wanted Africa to move in the right directions. What the leaders then could see while they were sitting down, the leaders of today across the African continent cannot see while they are up high in a tower, which is about 10 or 16 floors. They can never see it. I remember vividly well on the 24th of May in 1963, when Dr. Kwame Nkrumah spoke eloquently about the need for Africa to unite, and they needed to unite that day. If they did not unite that day, then so many of them, they will not be there. And no sooner had he spoken that, then everything came in place. They were not there. So it's incumbent upon all of us to build the Africa we want. But actually, people, I've spoken to you people, because we have been through a lot. We do not want to go back there. We do not want to embrace thieves. A friend of mine was telling me, how can you swim in water? He was justifying the need for corruption. He said, how can you swim in a water, and you don't drink some? I told him that you're not a fish. If you're swimming in water, you've got to close your mouth so that water doesn't enter your mouth. Then he said again that how can you be a cow and you be moving on grass and you don't eat from the grass? Then I told him, you're not a cow either. But then if you were a cow, then remember that the grass is not yours. So we do not need corruption. Let us Africans write our own story to tell the other world. We have been through a lot, but me and you taking to our responsibility through hard work, core values, strong values that are going to last, honesty, respect for one another, treating people with dignity, treating women as if they are not meant only for sexual pleasure and entertainment, but rather people who need respect, who have the shared humanity just like ours. Let's respect the people who work their fingers to the bones to bring and give just their kids to go through education, to make sure that they have food to eat enough in the houses. It's incumbent upon all of us to do whatever we can to make sure we push Africa forward. I rest my case. Thank you so much.